I am here not to recite any rosy mantras, and I don't want to blindfold the youth of Pakistan. Mr. President, I am here to highlight the brutality, oppression, persecution and tyranny of Narendra Modi's anti-climatic regime that has converted Jammu and Kashmir into a dystopia. I am here to protest that my Kashmir is no more a fairyland, no more a land of happiness and ecstasy. I am here to unmask the ferocity and atrocity that every Kashmiri faces in Pulwama, Budgam, Srinagar, Bandipora, Baramulla and Kupwara districts. Mr. President, we are living in a world where fair is foul and foul is fair. In March 1996, Jalil Andrabi, a prominent Kashmiri activist, is extrajudicially and brutally killed by Indian forces, but the international community is dumb, numb and mum. In August 2018, hundreds of Kashmiris are injured and 15 innocent souls are killed when around 50,000 protesters raised a slogan, Khuni Lakir Tod Do, Aar Par Jod Do. Break down the blood swap, line of control, let Kashmir be united again. But the international community is dumb, numb and mum. In Kashmir of 2023, women are raped and sexually abused. Young men are tortured. Forced disappearances and mass killings are law of necessity. Religious gatherings of the Muslims are banned. Freedom of expression is a forbidden fruit. But the international community is still dumb, numb and mum. Mr. President, Kashmir is not just a bone of contention between two atomic powers. It is about around 15 million people who have a rich culture and cherished history of bravery and sacrifices, who sacrificed their lives but did not accept the revoking of Article 370. They neither gave up nor gave in. Every child, every girl, every boy, every man and every woman of Kashmir chanted, "Hum leke rahenge azadi." Mr. President, the Kashmiris are a living people, all flesh and blood, all humans. They are not a commodity. They are not animals. They cannot be domesticated. They cannot be subjugated. Their free will cannot be suppressed.